Hi, hello, good evening everybody. This is Chinmay Joshi, maths teacher at Diksha Vedantu Learning Center. And yes, I'm back again with a very interesting and wonderful topic. We have already done this trigonometry as a part 1 in the last class. So today I'm back with the second part of trigonometry. Yes, what are the objectives for today? So today we will deal with multiple proving problems. So definitely your trigonometry questions will have proving problems, and there are few problems where you'll have to evaluate a larger expression. So they'll give you what is the value of so and so in the numerator, so and so in the denominator with trigonometric ratios. You'll have to evaluate it and you'll have to get the answers, and few tricks I'll teach you so that you can answer few questions very easily. You'll have to remember those. Yes. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the class. But I want you to mention your presence through your thumbs up. I want everyone to give me a thumbs up so that I'll know you are in this session and you are with me now. Yes, without any delay, let's start with question number 1 for the day. I think I've finished all the synopsis in the last class. So again, let me take a small part of synopsis for which might be helpful for today's classes. Yes, what can be those? So you know identities on that. So identities would be, sir, I'll write it in this way. So 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. So similarly the second thing would be 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and the last part would be 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This was already explained in the last class. These things I am writing here just because these things will be helpful for your problem solving now. Yes. Yes, just give me a thumbs up whoever is in this particular chat. I want your presence here so that I'll also feel you are here, I'm teaching you fellows, right? I'll also make use of your names so that you will also get confidence even teacher is observing us, right? Yes, give me a thumbs up everybody. Yes, let's take up the question number 1. If b tan theta is equal to a, the value of a sin theta minus b cos theta divided by a sin theta plus b cos theta. Come on, answer this. Very simple question, but looks little bit difficult. Yes, I will give you yes, Harshavardhan is in the class as of now. Okay, come on other students, I want you to respond actively. Yes, so they have given b tan theta is equal to a. Can you tell me how to solve this? How to solve this? Hi Harshavardhan, can you tell me how to solve this? They have given b tan theta is equal to a, then what is the value of this expression given? You have the options also. Just let me know the approach to solve this particular question. How do you solve this question? Yes. Okay, so what will you do is basically I'll start taking, sir, tan theta, here b tan theta is equal to a, right? So what will you do? Sir, I'll take tan theta is equal to, yes, tan theta is equal to a by b. That's it. Tan theta is equal to a by b. So this is the first thing that you think of. The second thing is I need to bring tan theta over here so that I can substitute tan theta is equal to a by b. So the expression is very simple. You have a sin theta minus b cos theta divided by a sin theta plus b cos theta, right? Yes, sir, option D is the right answer, infinity 1. Very good, man. So he has already answered infinity in 1. I want you to respond. How do I get a tan theta over here? Just tell me how do I get tan theta over here. Okay. So yes, so you can get tan theta. I already have sin theta here. If you divide it by cos theta, then you will end up with sin theta by cos theta. Yes, sir. Hi Vishal Kumar. Hope you are doing great. Yes. So from here what you can get is, sir, divide your numerator and denominator by cos theta. Then what you will end up with? So from here I can get a sin theta by cos theta is tan theta minus, or divide by b cos theta instead, so that I can make this one divide by b cos theta. So if you divide this by b cos theta, you will have b sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Similarly this becomes 1 divided by, okay. Sir, option C is correct according to Vishal Kumar. Sudhir Kumar says hi sir, hi. Harshavardhan says option D. I've already got a couple of answers from infinity 1 and Vishal Kumar and Harshavardhan. Let's see which answer is correct. Okay, So hope this part is clear. Similarly, if you divide by cos theta, what happens? I mean b cos theta, you will have b in the denominator. With that, sin theta by cos theta is again tan theta. You have a by b tan theta. Since you are dividing with b cos theta, this whole thing will vanish to 1. Hope this is clear till here. Yes. So let's take up the next part here. So since you have tan theta, I know tan theta is nothing but a by b. So this is nothing but a by b is already there. With that, if you multiply a by b, you will have -1 here. Similarly, tan theta is replaced by a by b in both numerators and denominators. Very simple. Yes, sir. Now what happens to this? Sir, this becomes a square by b square -1 divided by a square by b square plus 1. I can't find any answer relating to this clearly. Let's take LCM over here. So Sudhir Kumar also says, sir, this is option D, sir. Okay. So now this becomes a square. If you take LCM, you will have a square minus b square divided by b square divided by a square plus b square divided by b square. So this b square and b square get cancelled, and your option D is correct. Okay. Yes, hope everybody understood. Give me a thumbs up. Harshavardhan, Infinity in 1, Vishal Kumar, Sudhir Kumar. Yes, hope you have understood. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Let's take up the next question, and also just let me know if you can see the board clearly. Yes, let's take up the next question. I want you to get this answer without my help. Yes, I'll start answering this question, but I want my students to answer before than me. Yes, because you know the concept over here. So therefore, I want you to answer it before I solve this question. Okay. So starting, and your time starts now. So the question says you have 3 tan square 30 degree. I need to evaluate this value. Okay. Harshvardhan says he has understood. Okay, 3 tan square 30 degree plus tan square 60 degree plus cosecant 30 degree minus tan 45 divided by cot 45. You already know the values already. So you have 3 times of tan 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. I want the whole square of that. I'll put it. So plus tan square 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 whole square is taken over here, plus cosecant 30. Yes, what is cosecant 30? That is sin 30's reciprocal. That is 1 by 2's reciprocal is 2 minus tan 45 is basically 1 divided by, see, I have already started solving, almost there. I want you to answer before than me. Okay, before me. So you have cot square 45. So cot 45 is again 1 square. Okay. So waiting for your responses. Okay. So now what happens to this? Sir, this is 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 plus root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 1. So let's leave it. Sir, the answer is 4 by infinity in 1. The answer is 5 by Harshavardhan. Let's see which is the right one. So you cancel these things. So you have 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this is basically 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is basically 5. The answer given by Harshavardhan and Andreed and Sudhir Kumar, all of these students have given the answers. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Have got answer before than me. So this should be the attitude of my students. So clearly you have achieved it. I want everyone to carefully observe. See, infinity in 1 have given option, answer to be 4. Option to be 4. He might have missed this. He might have cancelled 3. He might have missed this. 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 1 4. So hope you got your mistake infinity in 1. Sir, Vishal says ek bar repeat kar le. So there is nothing to repeat over here. Tan 30 is basically 1 by root 2. 1 by root 3. So I have taken 1 by root 3 whole square. See, tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Similarly, tan square 60 is root 3 whole square. Similarly, cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 means 2. So you already know these things from the standard angles table. If you are getting confused, I want you to go to the previous video. After this class, go to that video and see it. I have clearly explained how to remember these values, and you might get an idea of solving these things. Is this clear, Vishal? These are just substitution. These things you already know. Tan 30, tan 60, cosecant 30, tan 45 and cot 45. Hope this is clear, Vishal? Yes? Okay. Let's take up the next question. This is a very interesting question. I'll see who will solve this question. The question says find A and B. Your job is to find A and B. Okay, up clear here, sir. Okay, great. So A and B you'll have to find. Your job is to find what is A and what is B. If sine of A plus 2B, if sine of A plus 2B is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos of A plus 4B is equal to 0. Yes, they have given two information, and from this information you are supposed to find what is A, what is B. Okay, great. Yes, again the process begins now. I'll start solving and you should start solving by yourself, and before I finish I want you to get the answer. Okay, a very simple question. So sine of something is root 3 by 2. What is that something? See, sine of something is root 3 by 2 means what is that something? That something should be, yes, sine of what is root 3 by 2? Sir, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. In that case, what happens? This fellow has to be equal to 60, sir. That's it. This is 60 degrees. So similarly, see, clearly A and B are basically angles. You are supposed to get angles. So that is why I have taken degrees. Okay, the next thing, sir, A plus 4B should be equal to what? Because cos of something should be equal to 0 means cos of what is 0? Sir, cos 0 is 1. Cos 90. Okay, I have already got answer from infinity in 1. Very good. So A plus 4B should be equal to 90 degrees. Very simple. Why? Cos of 90 is 0, sir. That's it. So now you just have to simplify these two equations and you'll end up with the final answer. Okay, what I'll do, I'll try to subtract things. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what happens? A minus A will get cancelled, and so if you can take, this becomes minus 2B is equal to, this becomes minus 30 degree. Sir, from here minus minus gets cancelled. You will be left with B is equal to 15 degree. The first person to get it right is infinity in 1. Very good, infinity in 1. And the first person to answer everything is infinity in 1 again. So he has also answered option, A is basically 30. Even Sudhir Kumar has answered it. And Sudhir Kumar have answered it in two statements saying, okay, great. And even Andred X has also given the answer. And Harshavardhan has also given the answer. Very well done, guys. So you are all my students. Well done. So basically B is 15, substitute B over here, somewhere here. So this becomes 2 times of 15, that is 30. So A should be equal to 30 again. So these type of questions you can expect for 2 or 3 marks. Hope this is clear, everybody. I hope everybody are enjoying these questions. Just give me a thumbs up. And if you are enjoying the sessions, I want you to hit a like button, and I also want you to share these things with your friends, so that also they'll get benefit from this, and they will remember you because you are helping them with this part, right? Yes, let's take up the next question. Very simple question, again the same type of question asked previously. Okay, the question says 2 cos square 60 degree plus 3 secant square 30 degree minus 2 tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 45. Very simple question. I want you to answer it within 1 minute. So keep a time and start answering it. Okay, I'll start answering this now. So the question is very simple. 2 cos square 60, sir, 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, sir. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Okay, plus 3 times of secant square 30. So whenever you get cosecant or secant, think of cos or sin and reciprocate them. So secant 30 means 1 by cos 30. Sir, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3. That's it, sir. So you have this to be 2 by root 3 whole square. That's it. So now with that you have minus 2 times of tan 45. That's the best thing that you can get, divided by sin square 30. So sin square 30 is basically 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 again, plus cos square 45. What is cos 45? Sir, cos 45 is root 2. So my students have already got an answer. Sudhir Kumar says the answer is 10 by 3. Let's see what is the answer. 10 by 3 is an answer. Let's see. Okay, so now what happens? Sir, 2 times, so you will be left with 1 by 2 here plus, so this becomes 4 by 3. See, this whole quantity is 4 by 3. So therefore 1 3 gets cancelled, you will be left with 4. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled, you will be left with 4, and you will be left with 2 here, divided by, you have 1 by 4 plus root 2 whole square is 2. So I am getting the answers now. Harshavardhan says it is 8 by 3. Okay, let's see. So let's take an LCM here. You have 2 to be an LCM. So 1 plus 8 minus 4 divided by, or you could have taken this 2 only directly. You could have taken 4 minus 2, 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 is 5 by 2, something like that. So you'll get the same thing here again. So again, if you take LCM 4, so you'll be left with 8. So if you want 4, so you'll have to multiply it with 4. So the final answer should be, so this is 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 2 divided by 9 by 4. So from here what you will end up with, sir, 2 times, if this goes to the top numerator, sir, 10 by 9 is your answer. Okay, anybody got the answer 10 by 9? Yes, anybody? So let's check once more. 2 into cos square, that is 60, 1 by 2. So this gets cancelled, you will be left with 1 by 2 here. So 3 get cancelled, you have 4 over here. So similarly 2 into 1. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 plus half is 5 by 2 in the numerator. So similarly in the denominator you have sin square 30, that is 1 by 4 plus 2. 1 by 4 plus 2 is basically 8. So 9 by 4. So you have 9 by 4. So if you cancel things here, you'll end up with 10 by 9. Hope this is clear, everybody. Yes, Sudhir Kumar and Harshavardhan, have you noticed where you have gone wrong? Yes, give me a thumbs up if you have got where you have gone wrong. Okay, Sudhir Kumar is almost closer to this answer. He might have missed something. This is not basically 2. See, you have added 1 plus 2, 3, 3 by 4. Mostly you might have done that mistake and you might have ended up with 10 by 3, not 10 by 9. The final answer is basically 10 by 9. Yes, hope this is clear. Yes, let's take up the next question. This is again a very interesting question. You are supposed to prove, as I've mentioned in this class, there are prove that problems. This is one such problem. Sir, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Oh yes, I've taken, yes. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sir. You have taken root 2, sir. Now I think everything will change. I wanted you to observe these things. So this is where I have gone wrong, probably. Yes. So from here what you will have, sir, this should be equal to 1 by 2. So from here if you take 1 by 2, in the numerator you have 5 by 2, in the denominator you will end up with 4 in the denominator, and this is 1 by root 2 whole square. So in that case this becomes 2 plus 1, 3. So from here again, the answer is 10 by 3, correct, very good. Very good. So the first person to get it right is Harshavardhan, I guess. No, Sudhir Kumar is the first person to get it right. Well done. Harshavardhan, sir, cos 45 he has mentioned. No, sir, it is 10 by 3. Well done, Sudhir. Hope this is clear. Sudhir, hope this is clear. So this is 10 by 3, not 10 by 9. I think I have read this as secant square 45 or cosecant square 45. So I have written root 2. But instead you are supposed to put 1 by root 2 whole square. In that case you will get 1 by 2. Hope this is clear. Yes. Let's take up the next question. Yes, so this is one more interesting question I was speaking of. So you have something as a whole square, something as a whole square. You are supposed to prove that on RHS, whatever that is there. So the questions are given in terms of sine, cos, cosecant and secant. The answers to be produced in terms of tan and cot. So you will have to make observations in such a way that you will get these things. Yes? Okay. So how do you start with? Sir, I'll expand this whole square, I'll expand this whole square. So the LHS would start with something like this. So you have sine square theta, okay sir, plus cosecant square theta, okay sir, cosecant square theta, plus 2 times of sine theta into cosecant theta. Okay, so this is the first part. The second part is basically again expanding this one. So if you expand this one, what happens? Sir, this is cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 times of cos theta into secant theta. Hope this is clear. So we started with LHS and we'll have to prove that is RHS. Okay. So now what happens? Sir, you can find sine square theta plus cos square theta. So can I write it as 1? So sine square theta plus cos square theta. I'll write it as 1, sir. So, okay. Now, so you have cosecant square theta, but I need in terms of tan theta. What will you write it as? Sir, cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. I've ended up with tan square theta already. Okay. So also can I write this secant square theta as 1 plus, cosecant square theta as, secant square theta as this and cosecant square theta as this. 1 plus cot square theta. Don't get confused. Secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Hope this is clear. Okay, so now you are left with these things. Okay, so 2 times of, what is 2 times of sine theta into, can I write this cosecant theta as 1 by sine theta? They are reciprocals of each other. So you'll have to cancel these two, because sine theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. In the sense, if you have x and 1 by x, what is your first step? You'll cancel these things and you'll write it as 1. So in this case, you have 2 into x into 1 by x. So x and 1 by x gets cancelled. You'll be left with 2 here. So plus 2. So similarly, cos and secant are reciprocals of each other. You can cancel them. You'll be left with 2 more. So now you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the 7 that we wanted. So 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. That's it. We ended up with RHS. Very simple question. Hope you have got it. I want you to respond in the chat. Sir, we understood. Or thumbs up. Anything is fine. So we started with LHS and we did some manipulations and we ended up with RHS and hence proved. Hope this is clear, everybody. Yes, Sudhir, Harshavardhan, Vishal, and read X and infinity in 1. Hope this is clear. Yes, let's take up the next question. This is one more beautiful question. They have given what is tan of a plus b is equal to. They have given some formula. Find the values of tan 75 and tan 90 by taking a suitable values of a and b. Yes, now this is one type of interesting question. Harshavardhan says, I've understood, sir. Others expecting active participation from your side also. If you have got it, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, so and also tell me how to solve this question. Okay, they have given tan of a plus b is equal to something, but I want tan 75. I want tan 75 and also I want tan 90. See, what is given? I want to split your angle in terms of some a plus b. Sir, English la pesum. Okay, I think I've mentioning it in English only, right? So, okay. Okay, Meenakshi says, tell in English. Hope, I guess, whatever you have mentioned in Tamil, I hope you meant me to explain in English. I hope I am explaining it in English itself. Okay, so the question is tan of 75 and tan of 90 is asked, but what they have given us tan of a plus b. See, I want to write this in terms of a plus b, something plus something, and that should be known things, because you should know what is tan a, you should know what is tan b, and accordingly. So how do I split 75 in such a way that I know these two things, that is tan of that a is known, tan of that b is known. Yes, any idea? Any idea? Can you tell me what are the values of a and b can be chosen over here? Yes. Okay, so 75 should be, I'll also put something like this. I want you to answer this. Once you answer, I'll move forward. Come on, what should I put? Tan 75 in terms of standard angles. Yes, what should I take? Sir, you can take 45 plus 30. Yes, these both things are already known, and I've got this as tan a plus b. See, 75, I don't know what is the value of tan 75 already. So I can get the value of tan 75 something like this, where you can take a as 45 and b as 30. So tan of a plus b formula they have already given, just try to substitute them. So now what you will end up with? Sir, this becomes tan a. So what is c? I'll take a is equal to 45 and b is equal to 30 degrees. So now just try substituting. So tan 45. So this becomes tan a. So tan a is tan 45 plus what is tan b? Sir, tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. That's it. Hope this is clear, everybody. Sir, 60 plus 30. You can write it as 60 plus 30. Harshavardhan, can you also tell me Gautami HK has answered it correct? Sir, isn't this deleted from syllabus 100x? See, since they have given you something already, so even though it is deleted, in the case, see, this is there in your higher level, but if suppose they have given this already, this is there in the stipulated syllabus already. See, this tan 75 and tan 90, you can't do it directly. Since they have given you the help of the formula, since they have given you that, so you can make use of this to get this. Hope this is clear and read. Okay, yes, Harshavardhan says 60 plus 30. And Harshavardhan, can you also tell me how to break this 90 by the time I answer this? Okay, hope Android X, your question is simple. Sir, is this in our syllabus? Yes, it is there in the syllabus. If they give this, if they do not give this, if they don't give this, then definitely you will not be able to solve these type of questions on your own with the knowledge that you have. So if suppose this is mentioned, then this question can be from you. See, this question I have taken it from your model question paper itself. So this is not something that is not there, right? Okay. Yes. So Harshavardhan says, Gautami HK says you can take 45 plus 45, sir. This will be very simple, no? Harshavardhan has mentioned, sir, you can take 30 and 90. That is also right answer. But my tan 45 is a beautiful thing, right? You will get 1, 1, 1. So everything will be very simple then. Okay. So let's start from here. Sir, tan 45 is 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what we will end up with here is basically root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. This root 3 get cancelled. The final answer that you end up is basically tan 75 value is basically root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Remember this as a standard result. If suppose this question is asked in your MCQs, then you can directly answer what is tan 75. Sir, this is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So if you rationalize, you will end up with 2 plus root 3. The final answer that you get is 2 plus root 3. If you rationalize, if you take the conjugate and if you rationalize, you will end up with this. Hope this is clear. Yes. Okay, tan 45, I want you to get the answer. You already know the final answer. See, we know tan 90 is not defined. Let's prove it using this formula. Okay, so sir, this becomes tan A. So tan 45 is 1 plus tan B. Sir, tan B is also tan 45. It is 1 again. 1 minus, okay sir, tan A is 1, that is tan 45 is 1 into tan B, that is tan 45 is 1 again. So you'll end up with 2 divided by 1 minus 1 into 1, that is 0. So 2 by 0 is not defined and hence tan 90 degree is not defined. Hope this is clear. Very good. Harshavardhan have answered it before than mine. Very good, very good. Well done guys. Well done, well done. So tan 90 we get 2 by 0. Well done. So we will get 2 by 0 and therefore it is not defined. Super. Well done guys. So let's take up the next question. The next question is the lengthiest question for the day. This is something that looks very simple, but even this is not difficult, but little bit challenging or lengthiest question, and let's try to solve it in minimum number of steps. Okay, so how do you do this? Sir, we have in terms of tan theta 1 minus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to, we'll have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. How do you do this? So let's start with taking tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. That might give you some idea. So what I'll do is I'll take tan theta as sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, plus cot theta is again, sir, cos theta divided by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin by cos. Okay, this is your first step. So this is your LHS. You will start LHS with this. Okay. So now what happens? I'll send this cos theta to the denominator. I'll take LCMs and what happens? This sin theta will be there, by cos theta will be there, and what I do is basically if I take LCM out of this, so you will be left with sin theta in the LCM and this becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Sir, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay sir. See, observe this. This question can be asked for 3 or 4 marks also. Okay, so I want you to remember this. This question can be asked for 3 or 5 marks. 5 mark question is also possible from this section. So therefore please pay attention how to solve this. At some point you will have to make sure that you will get this tan theta and cot theta, and that will be your turning point. These simplifications are very simple. Okay, so now you have from this chart you have cos theta on the numerator. In the denominator I will write sin theta, that is multiplied with the LCM of this, that is cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay sir. So now you have sin theta to be in the denominator of denominator. If you send it to the numerator, what happens? Sir, this becomes sin square theta divided by what happens? Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. This cos into cos becomes cos square theta to the numerator if it goes. And can we make this and this to be equal? Yes, you have sin theta minus cos theta over here. You have cos theta minus sin theta. So they just have the difference of this minus sign with a different trigonometric ratio on the right side. So what I will do is I will take this minus outside. What happens? This again becomes cos theta minus sin theta. Yes, I can get it something like this. So I will write this as sin theta into, so instead of cos theta minus sin theta, I will write sin theta minus cos theta. Sir, why did you do that? So that here and here this becomes easy for your calculation. Okay, sin theta minus cos theta. Sir, can you do something like this? Yes, you can put negative sign to the outside. So if it brings over here, so plus into minus becomes minus. Hope this is clear till here. Sir, biology ka bhi one shot please. Yes, definitely Adarsh, you will get a biology one shot videos very soon. And even Rashmi ma'am and Karthik Kote sir are already handling the classes. I want you to go through all the videos that are already done, and even in the future they will be doing different chapters one shot videos. I want you to go through them. Hope this is clear. Yes. So now we are left with, so sin square, see in the denominator you are left with sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So they are same, but only sin theta and cos theta are different. So in that case I will take, see this is something like a by b minus c by d. So now what will you do? Sir, I will take LCM for both. So what is LCM for both? So LCM for both is sin theta minus cos theta is same for everything. Okay, I will take that. But for this you have sin theta, for this you have cos theta. So both of them will be taken into consideration for your LCM. Because you have sin theta cos theta. See, this is something like 1 by AC minus 1 by AD. So what is LCM? Sir, LCM can be A common. So you can take A common. So you will have A, C, D as an LCM. So you just have to take care of this LCM, something like this. Now you have LCM, and in the numerator what is missing? Sir, this becomes sin is missing over here. So therefore this gets multiplied to this. This becomes sin cube theta minus, so here you have cos square theta, and what is missing here is cos theta. So this cos theta will get multiplied over here, becomes cos cube theta. So now comes a very important topic where, how many of you remember this? Sir, a cube minus b cube is basically a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So here a is basically sin and b is basically cos. Let's try to apply this formula. So this becomes sin theta into, say sin theta minus cos theta, that is your a minus b, a square, that is sin square theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta. Sin square plus cos square is basically 1. Hope this is clear. Sin square plus cos square is basically 1. So from here what you will have? From here what you will have? Sir, 1 plus what is AB? AB is sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta into cos theta. The numerator. Hope this is clear. We have just explained a cube minus b cube formula. In the denominator what happens? You have sin theta into cos theta into, what is this? Sir, sin theta minus cos theta. So now simple, this thing and this things get cancelled. So that is why I have taken sin theta minus cos theta. Hope this is clear. Now you are left with 1 by 1 plus something. See, this is something like a plus b by c. You can write it as a by c plus b by c. I am writing a by c plus b by c. What happens? 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta will be 1. So that's it. You've got something like 1 already. So now you'll have to split it. So what happens to sin theta cos theta? You can write this as 1 by sin theta can be taken as, say, cosecant theta or something like this, cos theta. So now from here how will you get? Tan theta plus cot theta. So your job is to make this to be tan theta plus cos theta. Yes, how will you do this? Come on, tell me. So you're already at the end, almost 1 is already obtained here. My job is to bring tan theta plus cos theta. How do you get it? Yes, how do you get it? So if you take 1 as sin theta plus cos theta whole square, yes, then you will end up with sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. From here they'll get, okay, so now I need tan theta. How do you get tan theta? Sir, I will try to multiply, see, can I write it as sin theta into cos theta? Okay, try to see it here. So I will take it in the next slide, or let me erase something. Okay, so what will you do is, you have 1 already, 1 plus 1 by sin theta cos theta you have. So can I write it as secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay, so this becomes secant theta into cosecant theta. Your job is to make sure that the secant theta into cosecant theta is nothing but your tan theta plus cot theta. That is your homework. Okay, so I've already solved like for 4 marks. Sir, can you please explain the second step? Second step. Okay, this is the second step. What I did is, see, this is something like a by b divided by 1 minus, divided by 1 minus a by b. Okay, so here you have a by b divided by 1 minus a by b. See, a by b divided by 1 minus, say, some b by a. Okay, b by a you have. So now what did I do? So this is in the denominator. No, I can bring this, I can write it as a by b into, see, since you have this to be in the denominator, I can bring this to the denominator again. So this becomes 1 minus b by a. I have done the same thing. See, sin theta by cos theta, and whatever that is there here, I have brought it here. That's it. And I have taken LCM here, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, the same thing has happened here, cos theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so I am expecting the answer of this secant theta into cosecant theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta by yourself. By the end of this class, I want everyone to answer, at least 1 or 2 students to answer how do you get secant theta into cosecant theta as tan theta plus cot theta. That is for your homework. See, I have solved, see, out of 5 marks, I think I have solved around 4 marks. Your job is to complete this. So you have secant theta into cosecant theta. Your job is to get that to be tan theta plus cot theta. Let's see who will solve this. Okay. Okay. By the end of this class, I'll reveal this. Okay. So till then, let this be secret. Okay. Yes. Well, how come you will get secant theta into cosecant theta as tan theta plus cot theta? Yes. I want Harshavardhan or Gautami or Android HK or Infinity in 1. So many people are attending as of now. I want you to solve the secant theta into cosecant theta, and you should get what is that to be tan theta and cot theta. Okay. Yes. So what is tan? See, just think of, see, you have everything in terms of sin and cos. No, think of what is tan theta plus cot theta can be. So this can be sin by cos. This is cos by sin. If you take LCM, you'll almost get, see, I have already given you a hint also how to get this. So I want you to get this and let me know at the last of the class. So by the end of this class, I'll let you know how to get this. Tan theta plus cot theta is nothing but your 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Let's take up the next question. Very simple question. Very simple. So this can be asked for 2 marks. Yes. How to solve this? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Sin theta plus cos theta, if it is root 2, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Very simple. How do you solve this? Yes, can you tell me what is the approach to solve this? Come on. I want Harshavardhan, Android and Adarsh or Gautami or even Meenakshi and Vishal Kumar, Sudhir Kumar. There are lots of students watching as of now. I want you to answer how to solve this question. Very simple. Yes, come on. Yes, that's it. So you just have to square on both sides. So if you square on both sides, what happens? Sir, we know the identity. We will solve it very easily. So if you square it on both the sides, what happens? Sir, this becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta plus, very good, plus 2 times of sin theta cos theta is equal to root 2 whole square should be equal to 2. Yes. So what is this, sir? Sin square plus cos square is basically 1. You will end up with 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. So this becomes 2 times of sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Remember, sin theta by cos theta, I mean, you ended up with sin theta into cos theta. Same type of, see, in the last question also you ended up with something like this. 1 by sin theta cos theta, you wanted tan and cot. Here also you ended up with sin theta into cos theta, you want tan and cot. Anyone? By now you might have got the answer. Yes. See what is this? The RHS is nothing but your tan theta. See, I'll take this as a separate part. Tan theta plus cot theta is nothing but sin by cos plus cos by sin. Okay. So now it is very simple. Now if you take LCM, what you will end up with? Sir, the LCM is basically sin theta into cos theta, right? So now if you take LCM, so here it is lacking sin theta, so it multiplies with sin theta. This becomes sin square theta cos square theta. Sir, this is basically 1. If suppose 1 by sin theta cos theta is nothing but your tan theta plus cot theta. See here, this is nothing but 1 by sin theta cos theta. See here, sir, 1 by sin theta. Sir, cosecant power secant can be written as 1 by sin power cos. We know that 1 plus 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, there is, okay, so in the last question, okay, very good. Harshavardhan have written it very detailedly, saying that, sir, we can write it something like this. So I've got it. I mean, I've already revealed the answer as of now. So most of the students are getting the answers already. So now tan theta plus cos theta is 1 by sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. So now I want, what is tan theta plus cot theta? I want 1 by this. See, this is so and so, right? I know tan theta plus cot theta is basically 1 by this, but this is nothing but 1 by whatever this is there. So sin theta into cos theta is 1 by 2. So this whole thing will become 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. That is nothing but your RHS. So we ended up with LHS is equal to RHS. Hope this is clear, everybody. Yes, hope this is clear. Yes. In the last question also you will end up with this whole thing as tan theta plus cot theta. So tan theta plus cot theta is the final answer. Hope this is clear. Okay, I've got a same question. You have sin theta plus cos theta as root 3. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta is 1. Same question. So take this as a homework. I will not solve it here. See, in the last question we had root 2. In this question we have root 3. I want you to solve this question. Very important question for your 2-mark question. So if you know this concept, just square on both the sides. You will end up with 1 plus 2 times of sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3. So in that case, your 2 times of sin theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So your 2 get cancelled. Your sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So now I want tan theta plus cot theta. Sir, tan theta plus cot theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So I want 1 by 1. So this becomes 1. Very simple question. Sir, you told homework, you worked it here itself. So I couldn't control. I mean, very easy question. So I want you to solve more and more questions of this category. Hope this is clear. Let's take up the next question. This is one very different type of question. Sir, अब तक ये चैप्टर भी नहीं किया, कल से बोल के पूरा सा निकल जा रही दे, 400 प्लस मार्क चाहिए. Okay, MBBS के लिए 10th. Okay, so your answers are, I mean, okay, Sada, you will get your answers very soon. It's okay. Okay, calm down. Okay, so from the team of mine will get back to you, so you don't have to worry. Okay, yes. So find the value of cos 2 theta if 2 sin 2 theta is root 3. Okay, so what is cos 2 theta? Sir, cos 2 theta value I want, but 2 times of sin 2 theta is root 3. So how do you get the value? Yes, come on. I want my students to solve it before I do. Yes? Yes, come on. Harshavardhan. Vishal, Sudhir, Android X, Gautami. Yes, come on, solve this. Very simple question. See, I want what is cos 2 theta, but they have given what is sin 2 theta. Very simple, right? Sir, sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. What do you mean by this? Sir, sine of some angle is root 3 by 2 means what is that angle? Sir, this 2 theta should be equal to sine of what is root 3 by 2? Sir, sine of 60 is root 3 by 2. So therefore 2 theta should be equal to 60. That is theta is equal to 30 degrees, sir. Okay. So if theta is 30 degree, I want cos 2 theta. That is cos 2 theta is nothing but cos 2 times of 30 degree. Sir, cos 60 degree is nothing but half. So therefore my answer is half. The answer for this is basically half. Hope this is clear, everybody. Yes, theta is 60 degrees, sir. Very good. So let's take up the next question. If theta be an acute angle and phi cosecant theta is equal to 7, then sin theta plus cos square theta minus 1 is equal to, okay? Okay, Infinity in 1 has answered it, both of them. Well done, guys. Super. Even Android X has answered it. Super. Well done, guys. Okay, if theta is an acute angle, phi into cosecant theta is equal to 7, then evaluate. Okay, I want you to evaluate this value. So they have given phi times of cosecant theta is equal to 7. Okay, so the evaluate sin theta. My job is to get what is sin theta plus cosecant square, cos square theta minus 1. Very simple. If suppose cosecant theta is 7 by 5, then what should be your cos theta and sin theta? How do you find this? Sir, we will make use of, yes. From one trigonometric ratio, you can get the other trigonometric ratios. So if suppose cosecant theta is equal to 7 by 5 here, okay, I want sine from this. If cosecant theta is 7 by 5, then what is sin theta? Sir, sin theta is basically 5 by 7, clearly less than 1. So therefore I can accept this value, 5 by 7. If suppose sin theta is 5 by 7, how do you calculate cos theta? Sir, we know that there is a relation between sin and cos theta. What is that relation? Sir, I know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In fact, I want what is cos square theta. So you can get cos square theta as cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, sir, I know what is sin already. So this becomes 1 minus 25. That is sin square is 25 by 49. I am taking the square of this, 25 by 49. Okay, sir, Pythagoras theorem. You can also use Pythagoras theorem, but preferably we will go with identities. This makes our job very easy. Yes, Harshavardhan, you can also go with Pythagoras. Okay, you will make use of Pythagoras. You will take the cosecant, means the sine is opposite by hypotenuse. The other side, if you find out, you will get the cos. That is also one way of finding answer. Sir, answer is, okay, I am getting the answers to be half. No, let's see. Okay, so this is nothing but 49 minus 25 divided by 49. So 9 minus 5 is basically 4, and 4 minus 2 is basically 2. So 24 by 49 is your cos square theta. So now my job is to get everything. So sin theta is nothing but, so I'll write it here. So sin theta is nothing but, sir, this is 5 by 7 plus, so 49 minus 25 is 24. So 24 plus 25 is 49. So I'll end up with plus square they have asked. So this is 24 by 49. I'm just substituting the value. So I've got sin theta to be so and so, cos square theta to be so and so, substitute minus 1. So if you simplify, you'll end up with the final answer. Yes, I want my students to answer before me. Okay, how do you get it? So now the LCM is basically 49, sir. Let me take 49 as an LCM. 7 7s are 49, so 5 7s are 35, minus or plus 24 one times, because 49 is already there, minus, so you need 49, because there is nothing in the denominator. You'll have to multiply it 49 to get the denominator to be 49. So what is the final answer, sir? 5 plus 4 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, 59 minus 49 divided by 49. The final answer should be equal to 10 by 49. Hope this is clear. Yes, everybody? Okay, I want answers from each and everybody. I'm expecting that answers. Okay. Yes, so so this is what the final answers look like. Sin theta plus cos square theta minus 1 will end you up with 5 by 7 plus 24 minus 24 by 49 minus 1. If you simplify, you will end up with 10 by 49 as a final answer. This answer is 10 by 49. Hope this is clear. Let's take up the next question. Again a simple question, very simple question. Let's do it within 30 seconds. Okay, let's try to do it within 30 seconds. This is very simple. Tan square 30, sir, this is 1 by 3. Sin 30, this is 1 by 2. Plus cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Sin square 90, that is 1. Tan square 60, that is root 3 whole square, that is 3. Minus 2 times of tan 45, sir, 2 into 1. Into cos 0 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. So we'll end up with, so 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, sir, that is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 2. This will become 3 by 2. Okay, so this will become 2 minus 2. So if you take LCM, if you take 6, this will be 1 plus 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So you'll end up with the 10 minus 12, that is minus 2 by 6, that is nothing but minus 1 by 3. That is your final answer. Very simple question, very simple question. Hope you've got the answer. Direct substitution, you'll end up with the final answer. Let's take up the next one. Probably the last question for the day. I want you to solve it before me. Okay, so tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. So this can be asked for your 3-mark question. Okay, let's see. Tan 2a is cot of a minus 18 degree. How do you get this? Sir, how can I equate these two? Yes, how many of you remember cot and tan are complement to each other, you can write it as 90 minus theta. Yes. So if you can note that, then I can tell, sir, tan 2a, can I write it as this cot 2a, can I write it as cot 2a, can I write it as tan of 90 minus theta? 90 minus, instead of theta you have a minus 18. That's it. You've got tan on both the sides. You can cancel them and you can equate 2a is equal to 90 minus a, minus of minus is plus 18. Hope this is clear. 90 minus theta. Hope this is clear. So now what happens? Sir, 2a is equal to 90 plus 18 is basically 108 minus a. So from here you will end up with 3a is equal to 108. So from here you will end up with a is equal to 108 divided by 3. Sir, this becomes 3 3s are 1 carry 6 times. So a is equal to 36 degree, and they have mentioned a to be acute angle. See, 2a is acute angle. Check whether 2a is acute angle. So 2 times of 36 is 72, still an acute angle. So clearly whatever the answer that I've got is correct. So the final answer is basically a is equal to 36. Harshavardhan is the first person to get it right. Well done, Harshavardhan. Super proud of you. Okay. So I hope whatever that is taught today is helpful for you. Yes, let's try to summarize what we have done today. So as a part of summary, so we have discussed different problems on evaluation. Evaluate the values. You know the trigonometric values already. Try to substitute and get the answer. Okay, and we have made use of, we have also solved proving problems. Very important again. You have solved many problems today, and one including 5 marks. What can we ask for 5 marks? One question that I have solved today, can we ask for 5 marks? And one more important result that you have noted today is, sir, tan theta plus cot theta, try to remember it directly, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Or you can write sin theta into cos theta is 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. This is a very important result you should note. How do you get it? By taking tan as sin by cos and cot as cos by sin, and you can take their LCM. Okay. Understood, sir. Very good, Harshavardhan. Okay. So the final thing, one more thing that we have noticed here is tan 75 value we have discovered today. So tan 75 is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, or if you rationalize you will end up with the 2 plus root 3. One more standard results. See, as and where if you start solving more and more questions, whatever the answers that you get, try to remember that will be helpful for solving other questions quickly. So you can remember this as shortcuts, and whenever you see tan 75, instead of solving everything, you can directly write, sir, this is so and so. Hope this is clear, and whatever taught today, hope that is useful. I just wanted to know if you have any doubts today. I am waiting for anybody asking any doubts. If you have any doubts, you can just put me in a text. I'll try to answer it if possible here itself, or else I can take it in the next class. Yes, I want everyone to respond now. Hope you have understood whatever that is taught today. Just let me know if you have any doubts, or else we can end the session. Yes, yes. Okay, so with that note, I'll be ending today's session. So we'll start with the next chapter to be probability. Yes, give me a thumbs up if you want probability in the next class. I will come with a very beautiful questions, and even including your case based questions also. See, in the trigonometry, mostly the case based question will come from the application of trigonometry, so that I didn't bring case based questions. The questions on case based questions for your trigonometry will come from the applications. So we have discussed lots of questions in applications of trigonometry also. So here we didn't have case based, but in the probability we have lots of case based questions, lots of MCQs, lots of 2 marks or 3 marks questions. We'll try to solve everything in the next class. So hope you enjoyed that, whatever that is taught today. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you all. See you in the next class. Good night.